Gwapo, sir, gwapo pag ganyan. Sige, bukas ulit. Hindi ulit ako magsosombrero bukas. Pero sana, ay hindi, baka wala akong live bukas. Hindi pa sure. Kasi, mainit eh. Wala kaming aircon eh. Buti pa din natin mags na malamig pa dyan, ano, sa inyo. Oh, yan, okay. It's nice. Malamig pa dyan. Kasi sabi mo nga mo, mataas yung lugar nyo, no? Kaya malamig pa. Dito mainit na, tapos nasira pa yung aircon namin. Oh my goodness, wait lang. Kayo ba, ano ba masasabi niyo sa mga taong may tato? Especially kung ganito karami. Hindi ba kayo nabubuisit pag maraming tato ang tao? What's your take on tattoos? Pag kayo ba'y nagkaanak or pag kayo ba'y magkakaroon ng jowa o kung kayo ba'y gusto niyo ba ang anak niyo magkaroon ng tato o pag nagpatato ba ang anak niyo magagalit kayo? Or ano ba, bawas sa pag-alala. I mean, hindi ba kayo na-attract pag may maraming tato ang ano ba? Yung lalaking maraming tato. Hindi ba kayo nabubuisit? Kasi yung iba buisit daw eh. May narinig pa nga ako. Sabi nila. Natatawa ako dun sinabi kasi ang sabi, may nagsabi sa akin ang maraming tattoo daw hindi makakarating ng langit. Hindi raw makakapunta ng langit. Hindi raw makakarating ng langit pag maraming tattoo. Pag maraming tattoo daw, maraming kasalanan din. Why do I have tattoos? Ano ko lang sa inyo, just to share your story. Bakit ba ako maraming tattoo? Actually, I have 2 full sleeves. 2 full sleeves tapos both leg meron akong tattoo sa calves. Ba't ba maraming tattoo? I told myself na kasi because before I was talagang heavy smoker ako, malakas ako manigarilyo. Sabi ko once na magpatattoo ako, I will stop my other vices like yung paninigarilyo. So sabi ko tigilan ko yung paninigarilyo na yan. So na ako. Una dito lang. Dito hanggang yung full sleeves na this is the first this is the first one, not the first one is in my calves. Yan, ganyan kalaki ang tattoo ko. Yan. Lahat ng all my tattoos has symbols. May mga sinisimbolo yan sa akin. Hindi lang basta may ibig sabihin lahat yan. Some are personal, some are pwede naman share. Yan. Kaya basta yan ang pinaka-weird ko narinig na ang marami raw tato hindi makakarating ng langit. Ano ba? Basta ang ayoko sa neck, ayoko sa face. My plan next is I'll have a leg sleeve. This is the most painful one. Yung ditong side. Yan, this is painful. That's why the other side, walang laman. Pero kasi ako, habang tinatatuan ako, hindi ako nasasaktan. Parang feeling ko minamasahe ako. Kaya habang tinatatuan ako, it's, natutulog ako, humihilik pa. Yan. So this one, no. This one, The half one, not the upper, only half. This half. It took them 7 hours to do. And ano lang yan, one take, one set lang yan. Hindi isang upuan lang yan. 7 hours. Okay naman meron sa neck tattoo. Oh yeah. I don't want, okay lang yung mga hindi visible, pero yung mga neck na nandito, I don't like it. Yung kitang-kita sa neck. Neck and face, I don't want it. Ako lang yun, ha. I'm not saying that it's bad or what. Ako lang yun. I don't want it. I don't want yung neck tattoo. Unang-una wala naman ako neck. wala pa. But eventually I'll have. So I'm nag-ano na ulit ako. I'm pushing my weight loss again. So eventually papayat na ulit tayo ng unti-unti. Tanong ako, Sir Paul, hindi ka lasing? Bawal pag lasing. Kasi pag lasing ka, hindi kakapit ang ink. Pag may alcohol ka sa katawan, hindi kakapit ang ink. Kaya hindi magandang Pwede yun while drinking. Pero kung nakainom ka na tsaka ka magpapatato, no? Alam mo, sumasyat ka habang tinatatuan ko, that's fine. Pero if you are drunk, yung you have alcohol already in the system, mahirap yun, hindi kakapit yung ink. Kumbaga magiging push out, faded, parang gano'n. Hindi lalabas yung tunay na kulay. Diba? This is black and gray, tapos yung isa may color. Sobra naman yan, Paul. Dami. Now I miss. Sabi nila, nakaka-addict daw ang tattoo, yung sakit ng pagtato. Actually, hindi yung sakit eh. Ang nakaka-addict dyan yung design. The design is the one addicting. Kasi, once you had your first tattoo, once you had your first tattoo, you were thinking of a new design that is much better than your first tattoo. So that's where the addiction will come. Like, because of the design, you want more. So my next tattoo will be maybe this cat behind me, because I like that cat. I like that cartoonish, or it's like an illustration. Gorilla, thank you also. Thank you for coming, and thank you for your thumbs up there. Again, neck tattoo, it's fine also behind. I don't want it to have or the full neck tattoo. Maybe that's better. I don't know. Yeah, the design is the one addicting, not the pain. Pain is pain. Pero kasi ako malakas I have high tolerance of pain. Mataas ang tolerance ko sa pain. Hindi ako basta-basta nasasaktan. Physically, pero ang puso ko ay madaling masaktan. Madali po masaktan ang puso natin. Marupok. Ayan. And see, when it comes to kasi sometimes tattoo is it's a double standard. Parang pag sa lalaki, okay lang. Pero pag sa babae, madaming. If a girl has a tattoo, parang, turn off ba sa lalaki or not? Sa akin, hindi. I'm attracted to anyone who has tattoo. Girl, boy, bakla, tomboy. I'm attracted to anyone who has tattoo. Syempre, if it's a guy, I'm not going to be physically or, you're sexually attracted to them. Because I am straight guy. But if a girl with a nice tattoo, I always see to it that I tell them that they have a nice tattoo. Some are saying that that's a very cliche thing to say to one, but I always appreciate not just the girl, everyone who has tattoo. If they have a good tattoo, I'll tell them they have a good tattoo. If they have a bad tattoo, I will not say anything at all. Of course, I will not say, "Oh, you have a bad tattoo." I will not say that. So pag may mga tattoo dyan na appreciate, I'm very appreciative when it comes to things. When it comes to beautiful things, yan, I appreciate it always. So my next, I don't know. I want to have a leg sleeve. I want to cover my body with tattoos, and then after, depends because tattoo is not cheap. It's really, especially if you want it to be very good tattoo, you need to pay for it. You need to spend money for it. Ayan. But it's getting pushed back because it's my tattoo artist. It's I can't find my tattoo artist now, so I need to find another. And I haven't found anyone yet because I don't have money yet. So once I have the money, and it's always being pushed back. Kasi Sir Pao, may PM ako nagtanong eh. Wait lang. Ayan, that's about tattoo. My first tattoo is a koi fish. Koi fish and... Koi fish? Yeah, it's a koi fish. Thank you po. What about girl with the sleeve tattoo? I'm attracted to girl with sleeve tattoo. Especially kung alam mo, basta kung maganda yung or especially if the story is interesting, of why did she get the tattoo, or what it symbolizes the tattoo, mga ganyan.